Pray we never find life on Mars. Not even the simplest bacterium. It could start humanity's countdown. Why? Imagine waking up on a silent, desolate island. Your greatest fear isn't solitude. It's finding empty bowls and warm teacups everywhere, but see no one. That's our situation now. The galaxy's silence isn't due to emptiness. It's a freshly clean morgue. If Mars harbors life, life is common in the cosmos, as common as weeds. If life is so cheap, why is the cosmos still silent? Only one answer: an unseen cosmic lawnmower. Harvests budding civilizations. Martian bacteria prove life can sprout. That lawnmower awaits us. Sounds like a horror movie intro. Yet it's Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom's serious scientific inference. No news is good news. To grasp is despair. See this morgue scale. Our galaxy is over 13 billion years old, with 400 billion stars. If just 1 in 10,000 systems has an Earth-like planet, that's 40 million Earths. One civilization born 100 million years earlier is a mere second. On the cosmic clock, they'd master von Neumann probe tech. Self-replicating machines. Mine a planet, build 2 copies, then move to the next. Math shows exponential replication could fill the galaxy in millions of years. So, if we're not the first, our night sky shouldn't be dark. It should blaze like Vegas neon, with star lanes and Dyson Sphere glows. But reality, no neon lights, not even a cosmic cough. This eerie silence has 2 explanations. First, the lawnmower is behind us. Life emerging from non-life is vanishingly rare. Like a tornado assembling a 747 from a junkyard? If so, we're lucky. We won the cosmic lottery 100 times over. We crossed the deadly threshold that barred countless worlds. We're alone, but we're safe. But if our probes, Perseverance or Tianwen 3, dig up living bacteria or ancient microbe fossils, then this luck theory collapses completely. Mars and Earth have vastly different environments. If life can arise easily on 2 separate planets, it proves life's emergence isn't a jackpot win, but a common physical phenomenon like rain. If the barrier isn't behind us, it must lie ahead. This is the second explanation. The filter lies ahead. This suggests billions of civilizations may have arisen, each learning to harness fire like us, inventing the wheel, splitting the atom, even launching rockets. But on the eve of reaching the stars, some unstoppable mechanism activates, perhaps a self-destructive instinct. Consider this. In 1983, Soviet officer Petrov saw a radar alert showing 5 incoming missiles. Had he pressed the retaliation button, human civilization would have ended 40 years ago. Civilizations master destructive power faster than they evolve the wisdom to control it. Nuclear weapons, engineered superviruses, or runaway AI. These could be the filter's blades. Perhaps all civilizations perish within centuries of inventing radio. The silent cosmos we see now is a vast cosmic graveyard, holding civilizations that died in adolescent turmoil. Or perhaps physics itself is the cage. We assume technology advances infinitely. But what if energy efficiency has a ceiling? Accelerating a ship to 20% light speed toward Proxima Centauri requires energy equal to thousands of atomic bombs just for a one-way trip. Every civilization attempting interstellar travel may find itself trapped on a resource-depleted homeworld. We burn fossil fuels desperately seeking the stars, only to collapse our ecosystem before liftoff, like someone building a ship to sail away, but starving after cutting down all the island's trees. This explains scientists' mixed feelings about planet K2-18b. The Webb telescope detected dimethyl sulfide on that planet 124 light-years away. On Earth, this compound is only produced by phytoplankton. If confirmed, if a thriving ocean exists there, it's like a death sentence reprieve for humanity. It proves life isn't rare. But surviving the filter is, of course, a spine-chilling possibility exists. An upgraded dark forest theory. Call it the fishbowl theory. Finding life on Mars, or confirming it on K2-18b, means the universe teems with life. Then why can't we see them? Perhaps we're like goldfish in a bowl, It's not that higher beings don't exist, but our senses are limited. Like Native Americans couldn't see European ships because they lacked the concept of large vessels. Advanced civilizations may not use radio waves, but gravitational waves, neutrinos, or even stellar flickers to communicate. Yet we're still guarding an old radio, trying to catch internet signals. We might even be isolated specimens. Earth's parameters are suspiciously perfect, like someone cheated. We need a stable star, the sun fits perfectly, a giant guardian. Jupiter blocks asteroids. We need a massive moon. Mars stabilizes our axis. Add magnetic fields, plate tectonics, liquid water, carbon cycle. This checklist is so precise that one flaw would have killed us in infancy. If Mars is lifeless, we can proudly claim this perfect coincidence is unique. We're the universe's only miracle. But if Mars has life, it means environment isn't crucial, and coincidence isn't rare. The only explanation left, we're farmed. Like humans don't interfere with ants, nor teach them calculus. To advanced civilizations, we're just that ant colony. They watch us invent nukes, like ants learning to spray acid. Amusing, but still just insects. They don't reveal themselves, maybe due to non-interference, or waiting until we're plump enough for harvest. Hearing this, you may feel profound loneliness and fear. But consider this perspective shift. If this cosmic reaper exists, and the path ahead is littered with bones, what should we do? Give up? Despair? Precisely because it's dangerous. And we might be the only civilization in 13.8 billion years to reach this point. We have no right to quit. If Mars is truly dead, it's our cosmic coronation. Cherish this unique solitude. If life exists on Mars, it's a cosmic declaration of war. We must evolve sharper than the Reaper before it arrives. Remember, in the vast river of time, we're still in the universe's infancy. If cosmic history were one day, human civilization emerged in the last second. We didn't miss the feast. We're not late. We're simply early, the first to light the fire and cook. So next time you gaze at the stars, don't fear its silence. That dead silence is a blank canvas awaiting our brushstrokes.